What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And
What
yes,
are you wearing?
I did a
From State
Jake
Farm.
from State Farm TikTok. It was a lot of fun. As you can see, I had to go back and forth in transition. And I made it all about me making it funny. So, first of all, you can follow me on TikTok. You can have a lot of fun. So, I want to show you today how I made that State Farm, how you can make one video with different scenes like that. Very easy to do. So, first things first is you need to find that sound. So when you're going to come up here, actually, yeah, you can, what I do is I click this plus sign and I come up here to sounds, and then like I'll look Jake from State Farm, and then you can listen to the different sounds, and then when you find the one you like, you press that added button right there on the right, and now it saves into your different sounds. So first, what we're going to do is get the effect ready for that first scene if you're going to use an effect, and also make sure you have your clothing available. So you come here to effects. Now they have different ones you can go through, and then let's just say you find one that you like. Let's just say you find this one. You can actually save that to your favorites right there in the bottom left, and then your favorites are all in this section right here. That's your favorites. So this is the hair that I've done. There you go. So you have that set. All right, now you're going to back out of that. Now, the next thing you're going to do is pick your sound. I'm going to come to my favorites, and then here it is.
Who is this?
It's Jake.
I'm going to click the checkbox. So now we've got the first scene ready. Also, you want to have your apparel ready to go. And now you're going to then, and you don't have to worry about these different speeds because I'm going to do it normal speed. You click timer, and then you can drag this red line across where you want it to stop. So right here's that first scene.
Who is this?
Now you can do a countdown for 3 seconds or 10 seconds. So in this case, we're going to do a 3-second countdown, and then you try and lip sync the scene. So here we go. 1, turn that off, down back. Now I'm going to go to the timer.
It's Jake from State Farm.
What are you wearing? Jake from State.
It's Jake from State Farm.
Now I'm going to get that second scene ready where I was wearing the red and khaki pants. So I had to swap out. Now my face is a bit bright here. There we go. So I got that lined up. Let me make sure I got that lined up.
From
Go back.
State Farm.
What are you wearing?
It's Jake from State Farm.
All right, so I got that second scene ready. So now I'm going to do this. You ready? Here we go.
It's Jake from State Farm.
Who is this?
It's Jake.
And you can see how my lips, I got it all memorized. Now, if you're really good about memorizing the whole thing, if you're not having to change attire, then you can then just let it flow. But in this case, because I'm doing different attire, then you've got to break up the scenes. And that's, again, this is what it's going to look like. So it's gonna cut between those scenes. There may be some other way with some software that you can go back in and edit it so it's a little bit smoother. But that's how you transition, and then you would do the next scene.
What are you wearing? Jake from State Farm.
And that's where
What are
you're
you wearing?
wearing Jake from State Farm. So you can have a lot of fun. So this will give you an idea, and then you do the whole thing, and then once you click check, then you can add, if you want, you can add a sticker if you wanted to have some fun, and you can type in, let's say, State Farm. Let's see if they have State Farm here. And then you can add that in there if you want to have some fun too. And then you can add text, and you click next, and then you just save it, and then you could have it. You can have it where people can add comments. You can save it to your phone. You can also now select the cover. So I click select cover, and then I can come here and drag it where I want it to be. So I can have it like that. I click check. And then let me go back. It should have saved my cover.
It's Jake.
I guess I need to go there.
Who is this?
Click check.
Who is this?
And there's my cover. And then you could put your description of the video. You can hashtag it. And then also you can hashtag it and all that good stuff. So there you go. That's how you make it. Click post. And then you can, oh, by the way, you can also make it public, friends only, and private. So let me know if you have any questions. It's a lot of fun to do, and I hope this tutorial is of help. There's a ton of effects that you can add to the video to really make it a lot of fun and realistic. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.